Welcome back to another episode of Raw Crypto Talks Tuesdays, where we come at you live from whatever source we decide that week, but we got it going out on our podcast at about 10 different sources. Hey, if you like what you hear, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification, because today we are bringing you the top 10 tokens and coins out there, right, by market cap. And that basically means how big can they get right now in this instance from the math that we're doing right now. And we're going to be using one of the biggest coin aggregators out there. That's right, CoinGecko. I'm looking at you. We'll be parting between CoinGecko and also we'll be using CoinMarketCap if we have to. I hope everybody's having a great Tuesday. I got my coffee going. And hey, without further ado, let's get right into the numbers. So today, the global cryptocurrency market cap is 2.45 trillion. We are down 3.5% for the day. So what does that mean? That means that the Big Kahuna, aka Bitcoin, is roughly down 4% for the day, as you can see right here. But for the week, it's up 4.7. So that's good news for us swing traders who like to see good movement during the week, right? The daily movement's good. It can show you some actionable signals. But the cool part is the move on the whole entire week, right? So Bitcoin is one of those legendary coins. You know what I'm saying? It started the whole entire cryptocurrency push. Right? Started back in 2009 and really gained prominence in 2010. Too many people weren't taking it that seriously in 2009 until 2010 when they seen the token start to jump. So, but hey, we're not gonna get into Bitcoin history. Maybe we'll do that another day, maybe even Thursday. So let's move right on. Number 2 is Ethereum. Ethereum is down 4% for the day. They are also down 0.5% for the week. Ethereum, hey, look, man, Ethereum's like it's like Bitcoin's more efficient little brother, right? That's what we're gonna call that. That's little brother right there. But Ethereum is one of those tokens where it's actually trying to move towards a more cost-efficient method of mining, or just mining is the same way to say blockchain transaction verifications, right? It's just so easier to it's way easier to just say mining, right? The other one's a mouthful. Next up, we got BNB sitting at number 3, strong at number 3. Believe it or not, there was a time where BNB sat at number 3 comfortably, more comfortably than it sits right now. But there was also a time where USDT decided to make its way up to number 3 and just chill there. Remember, these are market caps, so we're coming at you using the current market cap of these tokens. Number 4, just like we talked about, USDT. USDT is simply dollar coin, right? USDT. There's enough liquidity and money out there to keep USDT at $1. That's the point of it, right? Provides a little more fluidity for the market. Not a bad thing. Next, number 5, we got Sol, aka Solana. Solana is down 5.7% for the day, but they're up a whopping 9% for the week. Right? Keep an eye on Solana. So Solana is basically just trying to make the internet a little bit more, and by internet I mean Web3, right? They're trying to make it so that it's a bit easier to build applications on, and ain't nothing wrong with that. The easier to use these applications, the more exposure they get. Here, so look, Solana coin price and market cap data. Solana is, and that's basically what I was just telling you just now. Let's see. Solana crypto is a high throughput blockchain based on proof of history and proof of stake consensus. So proof of history and proof of stake, right? Those two, they don't yield as much as the counterparts like Bitcoin and Ethereum mining, but proof of history and proof of stake they're low energy, but they're consistent, right? They have consistent yield with less volatility, if you will, even though Solana swings for the fences sometimes. Those styles of mining are pretty solid. So y'all are going to see that a lot more here in the coming future, I'm sure. Next up, we got baby ADA right here. Baby ADA is sitting at $1.51, down 3% for the day, but they're up 21% for the week. trying to make that climb back up to where they were. I ain't mad. Look, man, ADA is one of those ones where it's scaled for usabilities in nations. I didn't mean to put an S on that word, but the usability of ADA and the scalability is why it's sitting at number 6. XRP, you talking about a token that's really trying to get into the infrastructure. XRP is sitting at number 7, man. XRP is a aider of the infrastructure of blockchain transactions. Yes, they are. They up 0.9% for the week, but they're down 4.2 for the day. Next up, we got USDC, aka dollar coin number 2. USDC, I like USDC a little more, right? Not only reason, but the reason why it transfers a little bit easier than its counterpart USDT. Yeah, there's a few more dollars up there in USDT's market cap, but USDC, I mean, it's out there on Avalanche, it's out there on Matic, it's out there on Ethereum. It's touching a lot. Next, we got one of these little hodl coins. Look, Terra Luna, man, I've been hodling this coin since it's like $12, I think. Or was it 12 or 20? I think it was. I've been hodling this one for a while, man. Just because I went and seen the higher liquidity function that they were offering, man. It's intense. It's really intense. But hey, look at her. They're sitting at number 9. They may be down 6.8 for the day, but they're up a whopping 10% for the week. So we cool with that. Polka dot. Number 10. Polka dot is sitting firmly at number 10. Why I'm happy to see that? Because if y'all know anything about me, I'm not the biggest advocate of Doge. I'm not a huge Doge fan at all. Sorry about that. But yeah, I'm not a big Doge fan at all. Why? Doge is a joke. It was made as a joke. The utility of it, there isn't a whole lot of utility that puts money back in my pocket. So therefore, I ain't finna deal with it. But hey, if you're a Doge fan, it's sitting at number 12. It still has a market cap, unfortunately. I'm joking. But no, it's still sitting at number 12 if people want to look at it. I tend to avoid it. I mean, even if that thing, if it goes up to $1, great. But it tried that already. So I don't know. I feel like there's better investment elsewhere. Next, in the mentionables, right? Because so the top 10 are the top 10. That's simple, right? Anything, the top 10 after that, I just call those mentionables. Why I call those mentionables? Because they change. They have a lot of influence here in these next top 10. Why do I say that? You look at the market cap. Number 20 is Algorand, right? Algorand up 21% for the week. Link 18% for the week. Crow 19% for the week. Matic 23% for the week. And I mention these because that's why they're mentionables. They have nice movement, depending on where you can get in on that curve. But we're not gonna get too deep into the market theory. All right, let's see how the bears of the day are doing. So bears of the day, KDA. Oh, look, Polkadot's there. Oh no. But look at their weekly numbers. 41% KDA. 22% Polkadot. You can see this 10%. Just pull your profit out. Be 30% up if you wanted to. Near 65% for the week. HNT, it's just 8% for the week, but you get the point. Curve 23% for the week. Another one that I'm pretty bullish on. I'm pretty bullish on Curve. Okay, so you got 4 different types of market animals, right? You got about your bulls and your bears, right? But people tend to forget about the gorillas, and also they forget about the crabs in the market. The crabs and gorillas in the market, right? Identifying which style of market you in will give you an idea of the momentum of the market, and that just puts you on the right side of the curve, no matter how you slice it. Right? All right, let's see some bulls. Got some bulls for the day. Sushi Swap, Myota, CVX. That's a counterpart of the other one there. Spell, hello Spell. Keep moving. KUB. Okay, we got some market movers. Yes. All right, look at the bulls having a day right now. I ain't mad. Cool. I like what I see. One thing I like to do as well, I like to do a little bit of candlestick reading here for Bitcoin. All right, we're at 49.77 right now, right? 49.77. We were at 50,000. We got up to 51. And I believe we may be hitting another test zone. Let's take a look at this handy dandy trading view right here. All right, what do we got here? Oh, see now, when I say zone, this is what I'm talking about right here. So December 23rd, we had a nice little climb. We had a nice climb here, right? We stayed, danced for a bit, dropped down, danced for a little bit more. But this stuff up here is cool. You know what I'm saying? This is where I want to see the price sit for a majority of the time. We can dip a little bit, right? As long as we come back up to where our valuable price line is, right? Now, if we're looking down here closer to the bottom, back on the 23rd, right around 1 o'clock, we had a nice bull run. You know, we jumped from roughly, what's that? If we go down to the bottom of the candlestick, we dropped from 48.470 all the way up to, we touched 51.366. We just touched it, and that was it, right? We blew past it a couple times, but hey, listen, the bulls gotta have their day, and so do the bears, right? So do the bears. This is what I like to see here, though. So if we come here and we look a little bit closer, you can see that the day started a whole lot lower. We dipped down to 48, but we didn't dip down to where we were when we were at 48.77. 48.7, we still was roughly $700 strong in that regard there, right? But we hit this line, nice support zone, and we start to show force. You know, I'm hoping that we're finna see a lot of force. Maybe today's the day, maybe it's not. I'm not speculating on which direction this is gonna go in, but we're all hoping for the same thing, right? Bounce off this line. Let's get moving. Hey, let's go ahead and take that height up to like 70 something thousand. That way, you know, wealth transfer. I ain't gonna get into all of that. but hey, you know what? That's your top 10 for the day. That's Tuesday for you right there, man. Look, I appreciate anybody who stopped by. Y'all take it easy. Hey, stay vigilant out there. Don't be out there sharing your private keys. And if you got any questions, man, hit me up. Y'all got my email. Without further ado, crypto out. Hey, that's all we got time for on Raw Crypto Talks podcast. Join us next time.